destination.
Ikot ka daw.
And the neighborhoods in Portland, and they also have a facility center up in Lewiston as well. And so every year here at East Point we have Angel Tree, and so you'll find when you leave these double doors out here a tree that has these beautiful little red tags on them. And if you would like, you can take one of these tags. This one is for a girl, age 10, coat size small, boot size 4, and for a toy and art kit.
At the stop sign, turn left.
Ito yung pinapaplay ko kanina.
Then turn right.
Kasi nag-download ako.
Yeah.
Eh, iba naman piniplay nitong Siri. Loko-loko ito.
SB19. SB19 ang pinay niya. Lord, I give you my heart. Give you my soul. For you alone. Lord, have your ways in me.
At the light, turn right onto Gorham Road.
Naka-red pa.
Dito. Kung naman ito.
Nagasolin ka o mamaya?